This is the Meaco Arete One 25-litre unit. I believe seeing is believing rather than looking at the adverts and reading the product description. So I'm going to give you a quick look at the features and functionality before turning on and showing you in action. Before I do, I'll just show you this unit's on caster wheel, so it's easy to rotate and push around. It has a dust filter on the back, which is completely detachable, and a HEPA filter, which is supplied, can fit in there. This is a cable tidy for when it's not in use. And if I rotate it back round, it has a handle for carrying it up and down stairs. Be advised, this unit, the 25 litre, is particularly heavy. On the control panel, we have a power button, a dehumidify button, a laundry mode button, and a nighttime button. These buttons are dual use. So the dehumidifier button, if you press and hold for 2 seconds, it will turn into air purification mode. Air purification mode is useful in the summer months. However, if you have the HEPA filter installed, it is always purifying the air and you don't need to turn this setting on. By pressing the dehumidify button, it will cycle through its target relative humidity setting, which starts at 40, works its way up to 70 in 5% increments. And once it reaches the target humidity setting, it will turn itself off. And once it moves away from it, it will turn itself back on again. Now, after 70, if I press it again, the letters CO appear, and that is continuous operation. It doesn't have a target relative humidity to achieve, and so it stays on continuously. If I press the laundry mode button, the relative humidity setting is set to 35%, and the fan speed turns to high. If I double press the laundry mode button, it will tell me how many hours are remaining, because it runs for a 6-hour cycle and powers itself off after 6 hours. If, however, it reaches its target but ahead of 6 hours, it will power itself off because it doesn't want to make the air too dry. So if I double press that button, it will show me 06 for 6 hours, 05 for 5 hours, 04 for 4 hours, and so on. This is the nighttime mode. If I press it, the light turns out and the sounds for the button presses disappear. If I press and hold it, it turns on the child lock. These 4 icons along the bottom, the first icon indicates that the unit is actually dehumidifying. The second is that the tank is full. The third is that the air purification's on. And fourth is the child lock. So let's turn it on. So at present, it reads that the relative air humidity was 77, now 75. As air circulates through the unit, it's likely to calibrate itself to the actual temperature. And you can see that it's currently dehumidifying the air. If I now hold and press and hold even, it's turned to AP, which is air purification mode. And as you can see, the air purification icon has been turned on. I'm now going to turn that back off. If I now press it, we can start to cycle, so continuous operation, 40% relative humidity, and it goes up in 5% increments, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 70. If I press laundry mode, you'll see 35 flashes up on the screen. And you may not have heard that because my microphone won't pick up the sound of the fans, but it's now turned into a high fan speed. If I double press, you'll see there are 6 hours remaining of this mode. If I press nighttime mode, the lights will turn off, and pressing the buttons will bring the light on, but it doesn't change the functionality. If I press and hold, we've now locked it. I don't know if the power button turns off once it's locked. Let's see. Okay, so that's good to know. You cannot power off the unit whilst it's locked. So that is the unit in operation. And just to show you, in case I haven't done so already, you remove the tank as such. It comes with a handle, and you can pour it out with these points here. If you wish to run a hose, you can do so. However, that's not something I've done yet. I hope that helps. If it does, give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it.